Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Netflix app not working on Windows 11 or 10. So if the Netflix app isn't working on your Windows, you can follow the steps to troubleshoot and fix the issue. First, you need to check your internet connection. So make sure you are connected to the internet and restart your router or modem and reconnect your PC. So you can just turn the Wi-Fi off first and then reconnect it again. And you can also try to update the Netflix application. You can open the Microsoft Store, and in here, so you can just find the downloaded apps, which is Netflix. You can check for updates and install any updates available for Netflix. Or you can also restart your computer because restarting can resolve minor software glitches. And next, you can also run the Windows Store apps troubleshooter. So you can press on the Windows plus I to open the settings, and then go to the system and find a troubleshoot. And here click on this other troubleshooters and find the Windows Store apps. Okay, here after that you can just click on run, and you can also try to clear the Netflix application cache. You can open settings and navigate to the apps and then install apps and find Netflix in here from the app list, this one. You can just click on this three dots icon and then tap on advanced options and then scroll down and click on reset. So if this app still isn't working right, reset it, the app data will be deleted. That means you need to re-log into your Netflix account again. And next, you can also try to reinstall the Netflix app. So you can go to settings. Here on the install app, you can first uninstall the Netflix application from your computer and then reinstall it again from the Microsoft Store. And then you can also check for the Windows updates on the settings in here. You can go to the Windows update and click on check for updates. So install if any available updates. And you can also check the date and time settings. Go to the time and language, date and time. So ensure your PC is set to the correct time zone and that time at the time is accurate. And if you are using VPN, you can also turn off or disable the VPN first, because Netflix may not work if you are using a VPN or proxy. So you can just disable them temporarily and try accessing Netflix. And you can also check for graphics driver. So you can just right click on the start button and then select the device manager. Then expand the display adapters in here. And then right click on the GPU and choose update driver. You can also just reset the Microsoft Store. Or the last one, if the application is still not working, you can use the Netflix web version. So you can use your Chrome or any other browser that you use and then open Netflix on the web. So that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.